the way to school. Minnie and Vijay were very excited. Their parents had gone out of town, and Uncle Anand, their father's brother, had come over to look after them. Uncle Anand was great fun. He always thought of exciting things to do. The last time he stayed with them, he had taken them to see the shooting of a film that his friend was making for days after that. Minnie went around pretending to shoot a film. Her friends had to hold things like lights and cameras while Minnie held a paper cone to her mouth and shouted out directions.
Have you got everything?
Asked Uncle Anand as the two children set off to catch the school bus.
Yes,
Said the children.
See you after school. I'll have a wonderful surprise for you when you get back.
Yay! Oh, tell us what the surprise is. Tell us now, please.
No, it is time for the bus. You will miss it if you don't go right now.
The children started walking towards the bus stop.
I wonder what Uncle is planning. I bet he'll take us to watch that football match. Who wants to see a boring match? Maybe he will take us to the bird park. Bird park? Only bird brains want to see birds.
By this time, they had reached the bus stop, but they couldn't see any of their friends. Only Murali's mother was there.
Oh, you missed the bus. It just left.
What will we do now?
Minnie started to cry.
Don't be such a crybaby. We can ask Uncle Anand to take us.
Both the children ran back home.
We missed the bus!
Well, you can take a holiday and we can go and see the vintage cars at India Gate.
Said Uncle Anand with a twinkle in his eye.
Oh no! We have a football match with Class 4C. I can't miss that. I have to go to school. I have a test.
All right, don't get upset. Tell me the way and I'll drop you in the car. Do you know the way to your school?
Yes. We take the same route every day.
The children got into car with Uncle Anand.
Go straight down Ring Road. Yes, now there is the big hoarding of the new gymnasium. Uncle, you have to turn left now.
But I thought your school was on the right somewhere here.
No, we have to go this way.
Okay, if you say so.
Now, go onto that bridge. Yes. Into that lane where Usha lives.
Are you sure? I somehow feel we are going away from your school.
No, Uncle. I'm sure this is the way. See, that is where Monu lives. We have to go around the park and straight towards the metro station. Now take a U-turn past the metro station. Now go down this road and then turn left.
But we have come back to the place where we turned left.
Yes, see, there is the school gate.
That is what I said earlier. We could have turned right here. Why did you make me go around all those roads?
But that is our bus route. We only know that way.
Finally, they both reached the school. Children, I hope you like this lesson animation. Let us read this lesson through the textbook and let us understand the lesson and find out some new words and let us know the new words meanings also. Okay? Children, now you have enjoyed this animation again, and in our previous class we have completed part 1 from the lesson. Let us check now part 2. Okay? Alright, don't get upset. Alright, don't get upset. Tell me the way and I'll drop you in the car, said Uncle Anand. So, Uncle compromised here to drop the children. Do you know the way to your school? Asked Uncle Anand. Because if they travel through the bus, if whether they knows the way, he want to drop them. Yes, we take the same route every day. Both the children cried. because they almost burst into tears because they don't want to miss the school. At the same time, Vijay is having football match and Minnie is having a test. So only they almost burst into tears. And here, at the same time, they also know the route. So, they will say the route, uncle will drop them. See here? Yes, we take the same route every day. Both the children cried. So, the children got into the car with Uncle Anand. Who got into the car? Minnie and Vijay. Minnie and Vijay. See here, Minnie is saying this. Go straight down Ring Road. Go straight down Ring Road. She's saying the route to go straight. Vijay is saying, yes, now there is the big hoarding of the new gymnasium. Gymnasium means gym, okay? We can go there and we can do some exercises. So, hoarding, here highlighted verse we got here. What is it? Hoarding. Hoarding means what? A large board of display advertisements. When you are traveling to the school, you can see plenty of hoardings on the road, beside of the roads. There will be some hoardings like about the watches or any shops like Kalamandir and CMR shopping mall, and we can see at the same time we can see about this movie posters also, right? I'll display you some here. See, these are the hoardings, okay? See here, uncle, you have to turn left now. After crossing this hoarding, he have to turn left. Uncle Anand saying, but I thought your school was on the right somewhere here. Remind that school is right somewhere here. But Vijay is saying, no, we have to go this way. We have to go this way. Uncle Anand said, okay, if you say so. If he knows very well, we should follow him only, na? He only traveling every day to the school through the bus. Who is traveling? Vijay and Minnie only, no? So he is not that much confident in the route. So only following the Vijay's route. Okay. See here. Vijay is saying now go under the bridge. Where did he go? He should go under the bridge. Minnie is saying, yes, into that lane where Usha lives. In the same lane, who lives there? Usha lives. Uncle Anand is saying, are you sure? I somehow feel we are going away from your school. He felt that he is going away from the school. So Vijay said here, no, uncle, I am sure this is the way. Who was sure about the route? Vijay. Because they travel through the bus every day to the school, right? So Minnie is saying here, see that is where Monu lives. In the same way they got Monu's, they have seen the Monu's house also. We have to go around the park and straight towards the metro station. In the route they are, in the same route they are seeing around the park and straight towards metro station. They are saying the route through this park and towards to the metro station. Vijay is saying, now take a U-turn past the metro station. See here, near the metro station, they have to take U-turn. And Minnie is saying, now we go down this road and then turn left. They should go down this road and then they have to turn left. Uncle Anand saying, but we have come back to the same place where we turned left. So here see, but we have come back to the same place. Uncle Anand is saying here, but we have come back to the place where we turned left. See, in the starting they have turned left there, no? Where uncle got doubt, we are going away from the school, I think. So he said no. In the same place they got there again. They have come again the same place. So only Uncle Anand is saying, but we have come back to the same place. Okay. See here, what Minnie is saying, yes, see, there is the school gate. Uncle Anand is saying, that is what I said earlier. We could have turned right here. See, in the starting only he said no. He see here. Are you sure? I somehow feel we are going away from your school. See here. Why he said here? This word here. Why he said this sentence here? Because there only they could have take the right here. But see what they are saying here. Why did you make me go around all those roads? Because school bus should pick up all the children, so only they used to go in the same route. But here, to reach the school, they can show the route straightly. But the children showed all over the roads. Because the school bus will pick up remaining children also, no children. So only they showed the route. Okay, but that is our bus route. See here what they are saying. See, uncle is asking, why did you make me go around all those roads? The children are saying, but that is our bus route. But that is our bus route. Yes, every day they go through the school bus, right? So what is this bus route? They will also follow the same route. So only they have suggested this route to the Uncle Anand. We only know that way because they usually use the route through the school bus. Understand, children? So only we should know about the route perfectly. If school bus go through the same way also, school bus should pick up all the children. Those who belongs to the school, those who are coming through the school bus. But when you are going with your uncle or your father or your mother, you should know the straight way. Okay? Not like turning around the school. Okay? I hope you understand this lesson properly. And I want to ask you something, children. Do you know the route from your hometown to the school? If you know the route, please note it down. Okay? How you will come from your hometown to the school. How you will come from hometown to the school. Please note down the route right now. Okay? And try to read the lesson 2. Okay? Okay, children. Let us meet in our next class. Until that, you practice to read the lesson properly. And let us do some other exercises belongs to this lesson. Like some read and understand. And some other word wise. Okay? Let us do some exercises belongs to this lesson in our next class. Thank you.